Tesla Cybertruck. I think there's a line. Alright, I haven't seen it yet, but we're gonna see it around this corner. Somewhere up in here. What? Crazy. Enter here. Right here. You just going through here?
You just gotta get you checked in.
Alright.
You guys checking out the Cybertruck?
Yeah. Alright guys, thanks again for watching my video. Overall, I thought the Cybertruck looked pretty slick. I'm not too quite sure if I'll be getting one because, I mean, $100,000 for just two-wheel drive, and it doesn't even have that much range. Like, I heard that real-world range is 160 miles on an 80% charge. So I'm not too quite sure I'm too happy with that, nor are a lot of other people, as they were expecting to get at least 500 miles on a full charge, but real world charge they're getting maybe 260 to 220 on a full charge. So I'm not too quite sure if it's there yet. I will probably just get a Model X in the near future, a 7-seater non-plaid, just to have that extra seat if I needed it for my kids' friends or whatnot. But anyways, thanks again for watching. Go ahead and give me a like, comment, and subscribe, and you guys have a great and blessed week.